The device you're looking at is a front porch pollen trap. It was made by Brushy Mountain, who's no longer in business. I was able to pick one up and put it in service this spring. This is the pollen trap itself. This slides into a slot here and goes through, and as the bees pass through, they squeeze through these little holes and it knocks off the pollen into the collector, which is here. Now the collector is normally down underneath the pollen trap, like this. And if I slide the device in, bees go through and pollen falls in. And what I've noticed is that the pollen is really clean. There's not a lot of debris in there. Sometimes that's the knock of pollen traps, but this looks really good. So we're going to do some queen rearing this year, and I needed some fresh pollen for that, and that's what this is for. So this has been on here for 2.5 days, 3 days, and that's as much pollen as I've collected. I want to give the bees a break and let them in, so I just pulled the slide out and they could use this as their regular entrance. They're a little confused right now, flying all over the place because I'm sitting here. But as I step away, they'll be able to go right in. Now, when you deploy this thing, you put it on without this and let the bees get used to coming and going. And then after they figure out the new entrance, then you put the device in and they walk through it. It takes them a while, they get backed up, but then they figure it out. Front porch pollen trap, that's what this is. One thing to note about this device is it's built for an 8-frame hive. This happens to be an 8-frame, so it fits the bottom board perfectly. You can use it on a 10-frame, you just need to put a shim to close the gap for the wider width of a 10-frame